If you want to add or change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now, once we go to Settings, here we should be able to scroll down and we need to find the General Management. In General Management, we can find Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then in here we can find Languages and Types, so let's select this option. Now, if you want to add a new language, we can choose Manage Input Languages in here, and then you can enable any language that you wish to use on your phone. And you can also use the search option in the upper right corner, so you should be able to type any language that you wish to use, and then you need to download the language, and then you should be able to use it pretty easily. And we go. Now if we go back over here, we have all languages that we have on our keyboard. Now if we go back to the Manage Input Languages, you can of course tap on the switcher to disable the language in case you want to no longer use the previous language that you already had. And that is pretty much it. Now, in the case of keeping these two languages or more, if you want to use more than one language on your keyboard, of course, you can switch between these languages quite easily. You should be able to find this globe icon on the keyboard that allows you to switch between these languages. Of course, the currently selected language is written on the spacebar. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.